Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to connect Google SSO. To set up Google SSO, click on your avatar at the top right, choose Settings, and then Security. Toggle on Single Sign-On and select Google. Once SSO is toggled on and you have selected Google, navigate to Google Cloud's APIs and Services page and navigate to the Credentials tab and click Create Credentials. Select the OAuth client ID. If you haven't done so already, you will first be prompted to create your OAuth consent screen, which will look like this. Fill out your app name, user support email, and developer contact information. If you have already done so, click on Create Credentials, and for the application type, choose Web Application. In the name field, enter a name. This can be Connecteam or any other name you want to call the client ID. Now you have successfully created the client. Continue by copying the client ID and client secret from Google Cloud and pasting it into Connecteam's Google SSO fields. Once you have copied the client ID and client secret into Connecteam, click Save Changes. That's it. Your SSO setup is now complete, and you can use it to log into your Connecteam account. Thanks for watching.